In a world where fifth-generation fighters rule the skies, where dominance is determined by stealth, where dogfights unfold beyond visual range, a new contender has arrived. Born of ambition, forged in secrecy, engineered to challenge the giants. This is KAAN, Turkey's most advanced fighter jet ever created. But today, we're not just exploring KAAN. We're uncovering the upgrades, the hidden technologies, the classified systems, and the future enhancements that are transforming this aircraft from a prototype into a game-changing air superiority beast. Welcome to Armory Unveiled, and buckle up, because what you're about to see will rewrite everything you thought you knew about the battlefield of tomorrow. KAAN began as a dream, Turkey's declaration that it would no longer rely on foreign jets, a bold challenge to a world dominated by the F-35, F-22, Su-57, and J-20. But between the political headline and the aerodynamic reality lies the true story. A fighter designed not just to join the fifth-generation club, but to push the limits with relentless upgrades. From stealth shaping, to sensor fusion, to advanced propulsion, KAAN is evolving faster than any fighter program in recent memory. And the upgrades we're about to reveal are nothing short of extraordinary. Stealth isn't about hiding, it's about becoming untargetable. The KAAN's first major upgrade package focuses on RCS reduction, the holy grail of air dominance. Upgrade number 1, RAM Generation 2.0 coating. A new radar-absorbent coating that cuts radar signature by an estimated 30 to 40%, reduces maintenance hours, maintains stealth even in extreme temperatures. Upgrade number 2, Edge Treatment Optimization. Sharper angles and micro-serrated panel shaping reduce radar reflections from wing roots, weapon bay doors, and air intakes. Upgrade number 3, Internal Passive Cooling System. A revolutionary system that hides thermal output, making KAAN harder to detect by advanced IR sensors. In the cat-and-mouse game of detection, KAAN is becoming the cat. A fighter jet is only as powerful as the brain that controls it, and KAAN's brain is being supercharged. Upgrade number 4, AI-enhanced sensor fusion. KAAN will use advanced algorithms to analyze sensor data faster, predict missile trajectories, prioritize threats, suggest combat maneuvers in real time. This isn't autopilot. This is combat intelligence. Upgrade number 5, quantum-encrypted data link network. A huge step toward jam-resistant communication, secure drone integration, multi-platform command roles. Upgrade number 6, full-dome 360-degree real-time awareness. Using distributed aperture sensors, KAAN gives pilots through-the-aircraft vision, missile approach warnings, night combat visibility. Think of it as a digital guardian angel, watching every angle, so the pilot can focus on the kill. Raw power is the heart of any air dominance fighter, and KAAN's engine upgrades are nothing short of revolutionary. Upgrade number 7, F-110 Enhanced Block Variant Interim. Current prototypes use upgraded General Electric F-110 engines, 32,000+ pounds thrust, enhanced efficiency, improved reliability. But this is only the beginning. Upgrade number 8, Indigenous TFX engine development. Turkey is racing to field a fully domestic power plant by the 2030s. Expected performance goals include 35,000 to 40,000 pounds thrust class, supercruise above Mach 1.4, reduced IR signature, improved fuel efficiency, adaptive cycle architecture future. Upgrade number 9, 3D thrust vectoring, planned but not confirmed.
This would give KAAN extreme maneuverability, better post-stall control, superior dogfighting performance. A fighter's power defines its destiny, and KAAN's destiny is to run with the giants. Stealth is meaningless without teeth, and KAAN's weapons packages are evolving rapidly. Upgrade number 10, National Air-to-Air Missiles, Bozdogan and Gökdogan. Turkey's new missile family includes Bozdogan, short-range IR missile, Gökdogan, medium-range active radar missile, both designed to match AIM-9X and AIM-120 performance. Upgrade number 11, SOM-J stealth cruise missile integration, a compact, stealthy cruise missile that can be carried internally, range 250 kilometers, role deep strike capability against high-value targets. Upgrade number 12, precision smart munitions. Turkey's MOM, KKG, and Tabir systems are being upgraded for internal bay compatibility. Upgrade number 13, airborne laser integration, future. Long-term plans hint at defensive laser turrets, missile interception, sensor disabling. This is more than firepower. It's the weaponization of advanced technology, and KAAN is becoming a flying arsenal. The next war won't be fought with bullets, but with electronics. Upgrade number 14, National EW Suite, Kement AWS, includes DRFM jamming, radar blinding, communications disruption, smart decoy management. Upgrade number 15, Cognitive EW AI, learns enemy radar patterns in real time, adapts jamming frequencies on the fly. Upgrade number 16, multi-drone EW coordination. KAAN acts as an EW commander, directing drones to jam radars, create false targets, blind enemy air defense network. KAAN is not just surviving the electromagnetic battlefield, it's dominating it. The future of warfare is unarmed, and KAAN is being built to command a robotic squadron. Upgrade number 17, Kızılelma integration. The Kızılelma jet drone will fly ahead of KAAN, draw enemy fire, perform high-risk missions, and share sensor data. Upgrade number 18, Anka-3 stealth UAV integration, a flying-wing drone capable of stealth recon, electronic attack, and precision strikes. Upgrade number 19, Loyal Wingman system. Up to 4 drones will follow and obey KAAN commands. This transforms KAAN from a fighter into the center of a combat swarm. Upgrade number 20, Composite material reinforcement. New lightweight materials improve durability, stealth, high-G maneuvering. Upgrade number 21, Next-Gen Flight Control software. Provides smoother supermaneuverability, reduced stall risks, improved energy management. Upgrade number 22, Retractable Refueling Probe. Enhances stealth while providing huge range extension, where the pilot becomes one with the machine. Upgrade number 23, Panoramic Touchscreen Cockpit, a full-panel display inspired by F-35 design. Upgrade number 24, AR helmet with target tracking, displays telemetry, behavior of drones, 360-degree visual feed. Think of it as a digital guardian angel, watching every angle so the pilot can focus on the kill.
Upgrade 25, Voice Command Interface, allows the pilot to control subsystems with simple verbal commands. KAAN is not just an aircraft. It's a symbol, a message, a technological uprising. A fighter being upgraded at lightning speed. A program refusing to slow down. A nation declaring its aerospace independence. And as KAAN continues to evolve, its upgrades may reshape the balance of air power across the globe. This is more than a jet. This is KAAN, and its reign is only beginning. Thanks for watching Armory Unveiled. If you enjoyed this deep dive into KAAN's upgrades, hit like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. And remember, the skies belong to those who dare to master them.